My first impressions on Realme 6. It comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD display with a punch hole on the left side. And also a side mounted fingerprint sensor which works really fast and absolutely well. And also face recognition is also fine. It's also fast. It is also working fast. Looks impressive. Well, it comes with a 90Hz refresh rate display, a 30 watts pubg charger with a 4300 mAh massive battery, and also it has a 64MP quad camera setup with 8MP ultra wide lens, 2MP macro lens, and also 2MP depth sensor. It has a G90T gaming chipset which is very efficient in this price range. Well, is a power adapter which is 5V 6A with Type-C cable. Well, I have set up the device. We have a Comet Blue variant here. The side mounted fingerprint sensor looks impressive. Well, it comes with a 90Hz refresh rate. We can set it to 60Hz if you want to save the battery. Well, it comes with the auto select mode which works according to the app. Well, we'll go with 90Hz. It comes with a 4300 mAh battery with a 30 watts pubg charger which charges the device from 0 to 100 within 50 to 60 minutes. Well, as it works on Android 10, it supports features like dark mode and all. Well, we have 4GB 64GB variant here. It comes with a UFS 2.1 storage, which means faster performance. It works on Android 10. I'm also hoping for an Android 11 update very soon, as it is on beta version. It works with a G90T octa-core processor, which is very good for gaming. Well, it heats a little bit, but it's not an issue. Coming to the camera setup, a photo mode, a portrait mode, a 64MP camera mode, and in more we have ultra macro lens, a slow motion, time lapse, panorama, and expert mode. And also we have 16MP front facing camera, with the lower variant comes in 15,000, which is 14,999, as it was launched earlier at 12,999, as it got price hike and got increased up to 15K.